Hello everyone, myself Kumar Gaurav. Basically, I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So, I completed my matriculation from DAV Public School. After that, I came to know about NTTF. So, I joined NTTF for diploma in electrical electronics. After that, I got placed in KPIT Technologies, Bangalore, where I served for almost 1 year and as a software engineer trainee. The profile was software engineer trainee. This is a IT field actually, and I belongs to electrical electronics. So that I think about some certifications to do. So one of my senior suggested me to pursue the Post Diploma in Industrial Automation, which has run in NTTF only. So I joined over there, NTTF BNTC, and after this 1 year course, I got to know all the things which can be read in diploma background. So in everything is in advanced level. So like advanced PLC, hydraulics and pneumatics in advanced way, electro-hydraulics, electro-pneumatics, like that, and like distributions. So all of these are covered, and like I got many industrial exposures in Tata Communications, Tata Steel, RKFL, Ramkrishna Forgings Limited. So I got very practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge from NTTF, and I am very much pleased that I got so highly qualified faculty members over there, and they are really just awesome. They help us in every field, not only in curricular but also in our life. How to manage the time and if you are a NTTF trainee, you should know how to manage the time, because as compared to other diploma colleges, NTTF is the duration is a bit high, like 8 to 10 hours of college and all. So you have to manage your time as well with your and don't forget your moral values also. So NTTF can learn for both the technical background, the co-curricular activities as well. So and after that, after post diploma, now I got placed in a company, Vertif and also a Motherson, which is located in Pune. So I am thinking what to be means where to be joined as well. So the message is very clear, like guys, do join NTTF because it's a only 3 years course. If you completed your matriculation and then only 3 years, you should you will give a good placement over there. You should work on your skills. There are many branches, IT branches, computer science branches, electrical electronics, robotics, mechatronics. There are various branches. So pick any all branch are good, all branch are excellent. Pick any branch and then go for it. Yeah.